Solid advice about how to make money online that will benefit everyone. There are so many ways that you can earn money that it is no surprise that earning money online has become so popular. Over the years, the number of online businesses and entrepreneurs looking for work has greatly increased. You can easily get started working online by viewing the great tips below. To earn some quick cash online, try one of the many auction sites. These sites let you sell a myriad of items, both new and used. Collect together gently worn clothes from your closet. Then, photograph each piece and place them on an auction site. With these sites, you can set a minimum bid to ensure that you get the money you want from your clothes. Many people make quite a bit of money by filling out surveys and participating in online studies. There are numerous websites that offer this kind of work, and it can be quite lucrative. It is important that you check out the reputation and validity of any website offering survey work before joining and supplying your sensitive information. Make sure the site has a good rating with the BBB or other consumer protection agency. It should also have positive reviews from users. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. Working online has never been easier. All you need is the right advice on hand and you will see that earning the extra money you have been missing is not as hard as you may think. Just use everything you've just learned and keep watching for more online advice to ensure you earn more money. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.